Chapter: Life in the Coastal Regions and Islands. Gujarat is situated in the northwest of India. Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat. The main crops grown here are jowar, bajra, cotton, wheat and sugarcane. Dairy farming is an important industry of Gujarat. Amul, famous for its dairy product, comes from Anand in Gujarat. Gujarat is an industrially rich state. It is famous for its textile, petroleum, fertilizer, salt and diamond cutting industries. The khadi and handloom industry is also well developed. Maharashtra is situated on the Konkan coast. Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, is the largest seaport of India and an important business and industrial center. Ratnagiri is famous for the Alfonso mangoes and Nagpur for oranges. Large deposits of petroleum have been found in the seabed near Mumbai. This region is called Mumbai High. Goa lies towards the south of Maharashtra. Panaji is the capital city of Goa. Most people of the state are farmers and fishermen. The main crops grown here are rice, coconut, cashew nut and mangoes. Karnataka, variety of spices are grown here. Mangalore is an important seaport along the coast. Kerala is situated in the extreme south of the Malabar coast. Thiruvananthapuram, earlier known as Trivandrum, is the capital city of Kerala. The major crops grown here are rice, coconut, rubber, cocoa, coffee and spices. Kerala is the most literate state of India. Most people of the state speak Malayalam. The men wear lungi, called mundu, and shirt. The women wear mundu and blouse. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the main classical dances. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Snake boat races are held during Onam. These races are a great tourist attraction. West Bengal is situated in the eastern coastal plain. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. This region has very fertile soil. The main crops grown here are rice and jute. There are many jute and textile mills in Kolkata. Most people of the state speak Bangla. Durga Puja is the main festival celebrated in the state. People love to eat fish and rice. Odisha is situated in the eastern coast. Puri and Bhubaneswar are temple towns. Odisha is also famous for its handicraft items. Chilika Lake, with its bird sanctuary, is a famous tourist destination. Andhra Pradesh, we have already read about Andhra Pradesh and its people in the previous chapters. The deltas, formed by the rivers Godavari and Krishna near the coast, are fertile areas. Visakhapatnam is an important seaport. There is a shipbuilding yard, an iron and steel plant and an oil refinery here. Tamil Nadu, we have already read about Tamil Nadu and its people in the previous chapters. The delta formed by the river Kaveri along the Coromandel coast is very fertile. It is called the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, is famous for cotton and silk saris. The Marina Beach in Chennai is the largest beach in India. Puducherry is situated towards the south of Chennai. It is a union territory. It was once under the French rule. It is famous for the Arvinda Ashram and the Matri Mandir. Most people of the state speak Tamil. Some of them also speak French. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is the capital city of the state. Most of the islands are covered with thick forests. People of these islands live in their old traditional way. Rice, maize, coconut and rubber are the main crops. Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep is close to the Malabar coast of India in the Arabian Sea. It is the smallest union territory of India. Kavaratti is the capital city of the state. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. Coconut is the main crop. Most people of the state speak Malayalam. The beautiful beaches and an aquarium cum museum at Kavaratti are famous tourist destinations.